Hey everyone! So you may have seen the news about Glitch already, but sadly, Glitch has ended project hosting, and unfortunately, the platform has been shut down. You also might have noticed that you cannot access any of your projects and websites anymore. This video is a quick tutorial on how to migrate your projects to either CodeSandbox or GitHub so that you can still have access to your work. To start off, Hype will be transitioning to a new platform called CodeSandbox. I'll show you how to set up a CodeSandbox account and move your project files over, so you can continue accessing the work you've done on Glitch. First, navigate to glitch.com and log in. Once you're logged into Glitch, go to your dashboard where all of your projects are listed. Click Download on any project you'd like to save. So for example, I'd like to save this project. Click on Download, Save, and a folder containing all of your old files will be downloaded to your computer. For those using a Windows computer, downloading your projects from Glitch works the same exact way. Go to your Glitch, then navigate to your dashboard. Then click on Download on any project you'd like to save. Once this has been downloaded, click on it. Then navigate to your downloads. Right-click on this folder. Click on Extract All. Then Browse. This is where you'd like to save your project. So I'd like to save it on my desktop. Then click Select. And then click Extract. So now, my project has been saved on my desktop. There should be a folder called App that contains all of your Glitch files that you use to create your website. Navigate to codesandbox.io. Then click on Sign In. You will then be prompted to this page. There are three options. You can either sign in with an existing GitHub account, sign in with Google, or sign in with Apple. The easiest way will be to sign in with Google. Here you can enter your email and password and an account will be created for you. After signing in, you will see this screen. For your role, choose Student, and for your plan, choose Personal. Then click Create Account. Then you can name your workspace, click Next, and this step you can skip, so click Next. And we will be using the Build plan. Then click on Get Started for free. Once you have logged into CodeSandbox, you will land on your dashboard, which is where all of your saved projects will be located. Now, click on either Explore Templates or on the Create button in the top right corner. Then, click on HTML plus CSS. You can also rename your project. So for example, I will name mine Transfer-Glitch. Then click on Create Sandbox. You can see that your editor is split into three parts, similar to Glitch. On the left are your project files, such as index.html and styles.css, and in the middle is your code. This template has provided us with some starter code to work with. And on the right is the preview of your website. You can see the index.html and styles.css files are the default files that come with the template. We can delete these since we'll be uploading our old Glitch files here instead. To delete these files, right-click on the file name and click on Delete Permanently. Make sure to refresh your page. Now, navigate to where you saved your downloaded Glitch project from previously. There should be a folder called App that contains all of your old Glitch project files that you used to create your website. You can drag and drop each of these files into CodeSandbox, right below where it says Nodebox. And you can see that all of your old Glitch files have been uploaded. Another way you can upload your old Glitch project files is by right-clicking on the left column here. Then select Upload. Make sure you upload all of the files from the folder, but do not upload the folder itself. If you only upload the folder into CodeSandbox, you will run into a lot of errors and your code will not work. Now, to see what your website looks like, You can click on Open Preview here on the bottom panel. A screen should pop up that displays your website. If you do not see anything, make sure to click Refresh. You can also click on this button, Open in a new tab, to see what your website looks like in a new window. In the top right corner, there's a Share button. Make sure to change the permissions and click on Public. And that's it. Congratulations, your glitch project has been fully migrated to CodeSandbox. Now there is one last final step. If you go back to glitch, you might have noticed that your old glitch URL does not work anymore. So for example, mine is sunsetquickrhinoceros.glitch.me. And if you put that into your browser, you can see an error has occurred since project hosting is no longer available. To fix this issue, go back to CodeSandbox, and in the preview window, you can see a URL. Copy this URL and go back to glitch. Then click on Create Redirect and paste that link here. Then click on Save. Now, it should be the case that when you type in your old glitch URL, it will redirect you to your new website that is hosted on CodeSandbox. And that wraps up how to move your glitch projects to CodeSandbox and also set up a redirect so people can still access your site. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your instructor.